Welcome to Words Well Read. Today, we are going to take a look at 3 fun words that you might not have heard before. Our first word is spelled as Dithyrambic. Now I know it looks like a mouthful, but don't let it intimidate you. This word is pronounced as dithyrambic. Dithyrambic. Dithyrambic is actually just a fancy way of saying enthusiastic. The term can also be used to describe something that is energetic and passionate, or wildly irregular in form. It's not a commonly used word, but it can be used in literary or poetry context. So if you're feeling dithyrambic about something, it means you're really excited about it. Now here's a sentence example for this word. Every now and then a dithyrambic rapture came over him. Let's move on to our next word, which is spelled as Welkin. This word is pronounced as Welkin. Welkin. Welkin might not look like a word you have seen before, but it's actually just a fancy way of saying sky. This word also means heaven. So next time you're looking up at the beautiful blue Welkin, you will know that you're just admiring the sky. A sentence example for this word: the Son of Heaven made the western Welkin blush. Finally, we have this word, which is spelled F-O-R-K. This is pronounced as fork. Fork. Fork is a simple word with a simple meaning. It's just a utensil that you use to eat with. But let's have some fun with it. Can you say fork 3 times fast? Let us know if you can in the comments section. Here is a sentence example. We eat with knife and fork. So those were our 3 words for this video. Thank you for tuning into our channel. We hope you learned something new and had a great time. Remember, the beauty of language is that there's always more to discover. So keep exploring, keep learning, and expanding your vocabulary. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and join us next time for more fun.